Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session, we came to know that Bipin Chaudhary, he went to Ranchi with the hope that he may get his memory back. But when he travelled in the town, he saw many buildings, many streets, hotels, and Morabadi hill. Then also he could not recall anything. If he had been earlier there, at least he would have recognized one or two things there. But he could not recognize anything. Then he decided to go to Hudru Falls, though he knew that that is also worthless one, useless one. He decided to go there. And in the evening, 5 o'clock time, two Gujarati gentlemen from the group of picnickers, they discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside the boulder. And when he got his consciousness, he said, "I am finished. There is no hope left." After that, what happened? Let us see now. Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. His will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. Was he going to end up in the asylum at Bipin Babu? Couldn't think any more. See here, next morning Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He came back to Calcutta, his native place. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. He realized that thereafter there is no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. He was thinking he would lose everything. What are those everything? See here. His will to work, his willingness to do work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. He was thinking he would lose all those things. Was he going to end up in the asylum at? And even he was thinking that was he going to end up his life in the asylum? Asylum means a mental hospital, or where the mental patients, mentally ill people get treatment. So he was thinking, am I going to spend my last days in asylum, in the mental hospital? Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. Thereafter he could not think anymore. He stopped his thinking. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then, after a shower, he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his bed. After that, he came back to his home. He rang up Dr. Chanda. He called to Dr. Chanda, asked him to come over, asked him to come to his house. Then, after a shower, he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. And after that, he went to bed and he clamped means to hold or grip tightly. He held a ice bag tightly on his head. Okay. Just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. Then the servant brought him a letter. That letter had left in the letter box. Someone had left that letter in the letter box. A greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. that there was green envelopment, green color envelopment. On that, his name was written in red ink. Above the name, it said urgent and confidential. Okay, above the name, it was written, it is very urgent. Okay, and confidential. Confidential means secret. Secret means, it means only Bipin Babu has to read that, others should not read. Okay. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had feeling that he ought to go through the letter. Though he was not feeling well also, he decided to read that letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. So he tore the envelope and he took out the letter. This is what he read. Dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about a kind of change that it has done. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? Actually, this letter was written by Chunilal. In the letter, he said, I had no idea that affluence means richness, okay, wealth, would bring about a kind of change in you that it has done. Because of your richness, you are completely changed person now. I did not think that this much change will occur in you because of your wealth. You have completely changed when you become a rich man. Okay. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? Was it difficult for you to help me when I am in a difficult condition? I was your old friend. I was in difficult condition. If you wish, you could have helped me, but you did not do. Okay. A old friend down in his luck. Down in his luck means one who is facing difficult condition, one who is having bad luck, bad times. I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination. Yes, I am a poor man. I don't have money. My resources are limited. Means I am not wealthy person. I don't have big bungalow, I don't have car, or I don't have any wealth. But what I have is imagination. But I have one thing, that is imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. So I used a part of my imagination, okay, in retribution. Retribution means as a punishment for. Yes, I used my imagination as a punishment for your unfeeling behavior. You did not have good feeling. Okay, unfeeling behavior. When I came to ask you job, you did not help me. It was unfeeling behavior. That's why I decided to teach a lesson for you. So I used my imagination. So here it is very clear that Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. All those things were created by Chunilal. Okay, in order to give him punishment, in order to bring change in his behavior, in order to make him feel that he was unwell, Chunilal used trick. And it is obvious that, it is very clear that even Dinesh Mukherjee as well as Parimal Ghosh also helped him to execute his plan. Okay. Well, you will be alright again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. and I hope hereafter you will be all right again now. Means after understanding the truth, after getting the truth, you will become normal now. And a novel I have written is being considered by publisher, one of the publishers. He accepted to uh, publish my novel. Okay, I have written a novel, one of the publisher. He is ready to publish that novel. If he likes it enough, it will see me through the next few months. If it is published, then it will see me through the next few months. Within few months, my economical condition will be nice one. Okay, it will be good one. Okay, like this, the letter ended. Yours, Chunilal. Okay, so the whole episode of his Ranchi trip, it was the imagination, okay, of Chunilal, and he used that imagination as a punishment on Bipin Babu in order to teach him lesson who did not help him in his difficult condition. See, when Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, "I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi." Then Dr. Chanda came, already he called him to come to his home. So Dr. Chanda came, then this man, Bipin Babu, he did not tell him the truth. Instead of that, he said, "I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. I got my memory back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi." A unique case, said Dr. Chanda. "I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal." Yeah, it is unique case. It is really very strange case, wonderful case. So I will write about it in a medical journal. Okay, in one of the medical journals, I am going to write about it. "The reason why I sent for you," said Bipin Babu, "is that I have a pain in the hip for a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller." Then he told him, "I called you because I had a pain in the hip of me, because I had a fall in Ranchi. So please prescribe me a painkiller." Like that, he asked to Dr. Chanda. It means he did not want to disclose the truth in front of Dr. Chanda. Okay, like this, he became who? Bipin Babu became the victim of Chunilal's trick. Okay, trick which he played with the help of Parimal Ghosh as well as another person, Dinesh Mukherjee. So with this, we have completed this lesson. Let us see the comprehension check part and working with the text part in the next session. Thank you for watching video.